Let us go in. With a generous serving. Let's go, buddy. Ooh. Oh my God. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris, and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Here I have 1.5 pound of lean ground beef. For vegetables I have 1 large carrot diced, a small onion, and also 4 stems of celery chopped. Over here I have 4 to 5 cloves of garlic as well as some fresh thyme chopped. I'm going to add to my pan about 1/4 cup of oil. So once the oil is hot, go in with your onion, your celery, carrots, and we call this the mirepoix. And we're going to saute these nicely. And immediately you can smell the room. Saute these down nicely. I'm going to season with salt, and I'm going to go into a teaspoon of salt to begin with. This will help to sweat these onions down nicely. Mix that in. You want to saute these until they're nice and translucent. Once it looks like this, we're good to go. I'm going to spread that to the side. I'm going to add our ground beef in. And you're going to break that. Mix everything together. Then I'm going to go in now with my garlic as well as my fresh thyme. I like to add the garlic in once I'm done with the sauteing, because garlic tends to burn and then gets bitter. Alright, garlic in, bring in all that aroma. Ensure to break up these pieces as you cook. Gonna season with another teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried basil. If you have fresh basil, you can use that. Italian or oregano seasoning, a tablespoon. I like to use my oregano in here. Give that a mix. Make some room in the center right here. And I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. This is going to provide color as well as flavor. What tomato paste is basically concentrated tomato sauce or tomatoes. That will give us a nice color, and I like to put it directly in the pan just so it cooks nicely. Mix that up, and whenever time I add my tomato paste, I like to go ahead with about a tablespoon of sugar. The sugar kind of mild out that sourness from the tomatoes, right? Sugar is optional and it won't let this become sweet. Now we're going to go in with your favorite red wine, and I'm going to hit that with a cup to deglaze the pan as well as to develop my sauce. Also going to pour myself some. Give that a stir. Everything smells so good. I'm going to go in with a cup of beef broth. Mix that up. Smelling so good. So I'm going to allow the beef to soak up all that beef broth and red wine and reduce to about half the amount of this liquid. So there we go. It has been reduced down to half the amount. Now I'm going to go in with some tomato sauce, about 2 cups. I'm going to mix that in. We're making color lasagna, so you know we have to go in with the Jamaican green seasoning, 1 tablespoon, and of course a tablespoon of my favorite all-purpose rub. Give that a stir. Put it on medium-low heat. That looks so good. Give it a taste. I'm going to allow this to cook for about an hour to an hour and a half on medium-low heat, ensuring to stir in between that so it doesn't stick or burn. And look at that pasta sauce. Wow, beautiful. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below, and say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home, you won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.